Shake the can and listen and feel for liquid movement to decide whether it still has enough product to justify recharging. Hold the aerosol upright and shake it firmly for a few seconds while cupping your ear close enough to hear internal sound without covering the valve. If you feel or hear a distinct slosh, the can still contains liquid. A hollow rattle usually means only propellant remains. Press the nozzle briefly away from you to test output. A faint, wet spray at low pressure indicates usable product, while a sputter or only gas shows little or nothing left. Weighing the can on a scale gives the most accurate objective check. Compare the current weight to the empty tare weight stamped on the bottom if available, and subtract to estimate remaining mass. For cans without a tare weight, compare to a new can of the same label to estimate proportion remaining by difference. Always depressurize the work area. Avoid puncturing the can, and perform these checks outdoors or in a well-ventilated space to prevent inhalation or buildup of flammable vapors. People commonly misinterpret a weak spray as empty when pressure is simply low. Test a short burst first and listen for liquid, then consider a weight check as confirmation. Another frequent error is assuming a warm can equals usable product. Heat can increase internal pressure and give false strong sprays, but does not increase liquid volume, so rely on sound and weight instead. A third issue is attempting to recharge or refill without knowing the can construction. Some low-air cans are not designed to be refilled, and forcing liquid or propellant can be dangerous. So if the can shows only propellant by testing, recycle it through local hazardous waste programs rather than attempting unsafe modification. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and trade partners for tasks such as recharging or replacing aerosol systems and related services. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, troubleshooting steps, and hands-on experiences